Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix server connection lost error in Killing Floor 3 game. So if you are also into the same error and looking for fixes, then go through this video guide and follow the methods step by step. So let's go ahead. So the first solution is to check your internet connection. So it's an important step. You should run a test or switch to wired connection if internet connection error is going on, or simply you can reset or restart your router, or even you can go for mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi, or do vice versa. By checking your internet connection, you can easily check. So if there is any internet connection problem, fix it, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is fixed. Change DNS server. For that, go to the control panel over here, then click on network and internet. After that, click on network and sharing center, and then click on adapter. Here select your Wi-Fi and then click on properties. After that, click on internet protocol version and then click on properties over here. Now click on use the following DNS server address, and here you need to type 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS server you need to type 8.8.4.4, and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if this solution works for you. The next method suggested is to verify integrity of game files. For that, you need to go to Steam. Under the library section, select your game. Here I have not downloaded the game, so you can follow the step to verify the game. Simply select your game, right click on it, then click on properties, and then go to the install files, and from here you can click on verify integrity of game files. This will verify the game files, and after that try to launch the game and check if the connection error is resolved or not. The next solution is to check background apps. For that, click on here, click on task manager. After that, the processes tab will open. Here look for those apps which are of no use or consuming high resources, and simply you need to close it from here. So simply select it and then right click on it and click on end task option. This will close the app that is of no use and running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check if the error is resolved. Next is to update drivers. For that, you simply go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters, select the graphics card, right click on it and click on update driver option, and after that click on search automatically for drivers. Doing this will install the latest drivers on your PC, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, the next solution suggested is to repair easy anti-cheat. So if you have downloaded the game, so for that you simply need to go to the Steam, select library, right click on the game, select properties, click on install files, and then click on browse. This will take you to the folder where your game has been installed, and there you need to look for EAC folder. Here run easy anti-cheat underscore setup.exe and repair the app. Once done, finally restart your PC once, and after that try to launch the game and check if the connection error is fixed or not in Killing Floor 3 game. So all these are some of the solutions that you can follow to fix server connection lost error in Killing Floor 3 game. So that's all for now. Thank you.